Underperforming or failed energy recovery wheels prevent your HVAC system from recovering valuable energy. AirXchange aftermarket energy recovery solutions make it easy to restore or replace any manufacturer's wheel, ensuring that your system will continue to maximize savings. With a flexible design that accommodates your existing structure, all AirXchange wheels can be installed with minimum system disruption. AirXchange combines best-in-class technology, personalized attention, and factory direct support. You can trust AirXchange to be there when you need us. Call us today for a consultation.